cancel that fucking thing there.
Want to push in here?
I'm ready to go. Oh, right here.
Yeah. Yeah, you got it.
It's home. There's no
Down him. Yo, what is up YouTube? It is your boy Ed Boy. Welcome back to the channel. So today marks a very special day for you, Ed Boy, and that marks the 100th day in a row consecutively without missing a video that's being posted. I shoot for 4 o'clock every day. Sometimes I get a little busy. It comes out at 4:30, but I do my best. But I'm very proud of it. I'm very happy, and I said to myself that if I was actually going to make this gaming thing happen, that I was going to have to hit a pretty big goal. And for a lot of you guys, you know that that's, for me, hitting 365 days in a row. So that's what we're shooting for. And I want to thank a lot of you so much for the support, the recommendations, for a lot of videos and guns. And that helps me along the way, and especially the supportive comments. But today, we're running something a little bit toxic for the 100th day, and that's the Akimbo shotguns. I'm sorry, forgive me. So this is a pretty typical setup, so for what you will run for it. Now, when you're running this with the riot shield, because that's what I did, and we have 2 gameplays for you, you got to be right next to them. Sometimes you get some kills where you're like, okay, these are it. But a majority of the time, they're not it. And if you got a riot shield, you're only useful for your teammates within like 3 meters. But the death comms are great, the game was fun, and even the second game, you're going to see near the end, it's freaking nutty, my friends. Thank you so much for being here, and as always, I will see you tomorrow.
Somebody's coming in.
His buddy's at headquarters.
Alright, going in. Oh, left!
Oh my god, okay, I thought he stuck that. That would have been disgusting. God. Just camping in green. Full team. Still full team in green, boys.
That was
Sick
dirty.
knife, Joe.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, let's go in. No stun hit, but I threw one.
Oh, right here.
Oh, shit. All right, coming around.
On our rough head.
Oh my god, are you fucking how?
On the ground over there. I'm gonna get in that. Down him in the street.
In here. I just heard one. Oh, I saw him.
Oh no!
Yeah, behind you.
His buddy's on the buy. Joe! Shields off! Let's go!
Buddy's above us. His buddy's above us. He's like, oh.
In here! Just sitting in the corners.
Nice job.
Let's go! Maybe. Last house? We have a buy marker? Nice, down him. Buy marker, let's see. Hey, what's up, dog? Yeah. Get ready. Oh!
Homie's flying Nova. Dude's top priz. We probably take top priz.
Extra double barrels there if anybody wants to with it. Close. Guy just dropped in hard right here. Back in the corner. How many?
At least
Downed
two.
one or Joe just there's two. I'm trying not to get up here.
I might have to just get out of there.
Dip, just dip.
You could win that one-on-one with him. Shoot him right in the skull.
Oh yeah, you're dead. Turn around. Yep. Like an idiot.
Love that. Yeah,
Hold on. I got a guy up here. Yep, I'm just better, dude. Not kidding you. Where's the best spot for me to put this load out?
Probably opposite side of like where I am.
Yeah. You want a riot shield?
Yeah. I downed one on top prison.
We should probably push that.
Yep. Riot shield right there.
I got my kill.
Nice. He's gonna be stunned. And I'm stunned. Yes. Far. In there. I don't know if there's anybody right, so we gotta be careful. Hey, I'm gonna precision them. I'm pulling back a little bit. Got a hit marker. I have a gas mask.
Same. Oh.
I'm gonna pull ahead.
What a pull.
Hey, shield. Oh, hey, boys.
Where's that?
Yeah, you're.
One more, Ed. In there,
He's dead.
Right.
right. right.
Safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Must have had a stem.
To an end, soldier. Kill or be killed.
Hey, buddy.
Yep.
Enjoy that, you.
Oh shit.
Oh.